I'll never forget the day. It was a Wednesday. We got our staff together and said it's time to go work from home. It's 9:30 in the morning. It's like just the look on everybody's faces. It was amazing. Just like I'm sure many of our clients experience this odd thing go down called COVID, right? And then by 1 o'clock that day, our team had packed up. They're at home, and we were all online with tools in place and laser focused on what we needed to do. And it became an exercise of reaching out to our clients and seeing how we could help them.
How to respond to that? I don't even think I actually believed it was happening when it happened, but like Real said, when we announced at 9:30 and then at 1 o'clock everyone was gone, it was a very spooky.
Yeah, it really was the team coming together at a level we hadn't really experienced before.
I think everyone did such a great job adjusting to that change and taking it on, and everyone just sort of like, this is what we got to do. And they just went home and they got to work, and we just we gave it everything we got.
It was definitely about how can I stay online, how can I increase my presence, how can I generate sales. And probably one of the biggest things I take away from all of it, it was phenomenal to see how resilient our clients were. Just an amazing group of entrepreneurs and business owners that I talk to on a daily basis, who you could tell were going through a lot of emotional stuff, right? But just what can we do? And it became this community where talking to these clients, we're sharing what we're learning. We're all learning through this at the same time.
So many local business owners and organizations called us and asked us to help them. You know, and I thought I was really honored by that. You know, we were the first people they thought of when it came to, hey, we need to video this, or we need to shoot this, or we need to, you know, and so I'm really grateful. We have even some clients we've never worked with before have come around and said, hey, we need, you know, we've heard great things about you. Thanks for, you know, please help us out. And so anyways, I think it's great. This community of Vernon has been very resilient through all of this.
So the biggest takeaway is how we were able to bring it all together as a team and support our clients, and also how our clients actually wanted to see us survive too.
Before COVID, we had decided that we were going to rebrand. We had wanted to refresh our look, refresh our website, and really kind of I don't know. We didn't want to change that much, but we kind of wanted to evolve and maybe grow up a little bit and show off a little bit on some of the stuff that we have been doing over the last few years. I mean, we've been doing some amazing things, and I don't know. We're probably as guilty as other businesses about self-promotion and marketing. I don't think we were, you know, keeping our website as up to date with all the things that we've been doing as well as we could have. So it was a time where it was like, well, we could update the existing site, or we could just build a whole new one. And we thought, well, let's just refresh our brand while we're at it. And, you know, we're moving into, we've expanded services, we've grown, we've added staff. So it was just good timing. You know, it's been 5 or more years since we rebranded the first time. So we call this Sproing 3.0 now. And it's going to be really cool. It's I love the way it looks. You know, it's not a complete departure from where we were. It's just sort of a really nice evolution of where we were to where it's going to be. So that's coming out right now. The website's gorgeous. I can't wait for people to see it.
It was a heavy year, as I'm sure everybody out there would say. Our team stepped up when our clients needed them. And we've actually grown along the way. We've added some amazing team members during COVID, and we're one of those companies that are lucky in that it's generated some growth, but our clients needed us and needed our services fast. So we had to really, we're tired. We've worked hard to provide our services to our clients at the level they needed. We've gotten a lot of websites out, lots of video. We did some really cool projects with the grads, I think at 5 high schools or something, where we videoed their grads, right? Virtual events. So we did all these things, and we just figured it out as we went, and it's played a toll on our team. So really excited for 2021, and really excited for our team to get a good break.
Yeah, top 20 over 40. I'd have rather had the top 20 under 40, but.
It's an award for Employer of the Year, and one of the highlights of my career by far. It's one thing, to win awards and be nominated for things, but when you're nominated from your team internally for this award and acknowledged as an employer, it's a pretty special thing, particularly going through COVID and what we asked of our team, right? To not only go home and work remotely during a pandemic, but to step up their game and dial in on what our clients need. And I really found we've put out some of our best work. So had the opportunity to meet a couple from Salmon Arm, Ryan and Tina Anderson. They are an amazing, passionate couple who have built a company called Perimeter Design. In Salmon Arm, they offer web development services, graphic design services, and they realized that no different than us, very similar goals. They want to help their clients. They know right now more than ever their clients need to be online, and they saw the value in the additional services that we can bring their clients. So in our conversations, it's like these two goals just align so well, our visions align so well. So we're really excited to announce that we've acquired Perimeter Design, and we're moving to Salmon Arm. We're expanding there. We're going to set up a satellite office in the Innovation Center. We're really looking forward to working with the team there at the Innovation Center and Salmon Arm community. So come January 1, we'll have an office there, and really looking forward to working with the Perimeter Design clients.
That was tough. It was tough for everybody. I think what we've been come to be known as is a very approachable company. No matter how big we get or have been getting, that's always been a sort of a value of ours, is being approachable and being inclusive and collaborating with our clients. And I think people have come to depend on that. And I mean, let's face it, those of us who are huggers are missing being hugged and giving hugs. And it's been tough for that human connection. I mean, sure, we're tech, but we're still very connected to our clients and to each other as a team. Everyone's worked really hard this year, 2020. There has been a certain amount of stress. There's been a lot of pressure. We've done a lot of work between helping clients and the increase in business that way, but also trying to get this brand out the door and in every department. Everyone's been spinning wheels trying to get this rolled out. Then acquiring Perimeter Design out of Salmon Arm, that's added a whole other piece to it. So there's been a lot of wheels flying around and keeping our clients happy during COVID. So 2020 is coming to an end very quickly, and we've been moving really fast. So everyone deserves a holiday. Everyone deserves some time off. So we're closing between Christmas and New Year's, and we're gonna take some time off and recharge and reboot and come back for 2021. And it's going to be killer. It's going to be a banger every year.
Banger.
I would just want to say thank you to our staff, to our clients, to our suppliers. It is a lot of people that keep a business like ours rolling, and we do everything we can to support our clients. And it's a great relationship, and we wouldn't be here without either our staff or our clients. So I want to thank everyone for everything they've done for us, and congratulations on making it through 2020, and Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.